Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I have featured for you guys the beautiful Elmyra. This is going to be the 1842 model with the optional side gas burner. And then next to me, I also have the Quezaneir by Roby. I wanted to do a product overview comparison for you guys between these two models. These are two of the larger cook stoves that we offer on the market, and we often have a lot of customers interested in both models that ask me for a rundown, so I'm going to give you guys that today. So first of all, we'll start over here with the Roby on the Quezaneir model. The Quezaneir is going to be the largest model in the Roby line. This has a nice huge firebox and very long burn times. You can easily get a 10 to a 12 hour burn time out of the Roby Cuisiniere here. Roby models are some of the most airtight stoves available that you can actually purchase on the market, and lighting them up out here outside, I have been actually most impressed with the Roby stoves because with very, very short chimney stacks, which FYI, if you're installing this in a house, your code minimum is going to be 12 feet according to NFPA 211 fire codes. Being that we're outside, this is for testing purposes. A lot of products will not draft well with a short stack. So this is really, really nice on the Roby that it drafts so well. And also the glass was one of the cleanest burning glasses during our outside burn. So I love the Roby products because of that tight air control and very, very excellent air wash. So if you're really going for a nice big view of the flame and long burn times, the Quezaneir is an excellent option for you. It's tricked out pretty well with this chrome is going to come standard. So this is the Quezaneir with the arch door and the pedestal base. Comes standard with the chrome corners and the chrome handles. Now they do have the model on legs where you do have optional chrome doors, but that's not going to be on the pedestal model. So there's just one option on your pedestal model. These doilies here are pretty nice. They do make a nice chrome decorative mirror if you want to trick out your stove a little bit more. You have a nice large cooking surface here and a nice big baking oven on the Quezaneir as well. This model is going to put out about 90,000 BTUs, possibly up to 100,000 depending on the type of fuel that you're burning. That's easily going to heat 3,000, maybe even 3,500 square feet. So if you have a lot of space that you're heating, the Quezaneir is an excellent option. Over here at the Elmyra, now obviously she's a beauty, she catches attention. Everybody that drives by, this is kind of what they spot first. I love the Elmyra. It burns really nice and clean. You do have a smaller glass door on the front, so you don't get that expansive viewing area like you have on the Roby. But what I will say is, even though you have that small fire door, you can still load from the top here, which makes it a lot easier to still be able to fit in wood for longer burns. Now, right off the bat, the stove does not come standard with any cooktop gasket on it. So I added that into my stove and I was able to drastically increase my burn times by doing that. So if you do purchase the Elmyra, I definitely recommend to add in the gasket yourself. In this model, I'm able to get about a 10-hour burn time. So I do get better burn time out of the Roby Cuisiniere, but for the size of the viewing area and the size of the firebox, the Elmyra really does a nice job. The Elmyra is unique because it's going to be basically the only cook stove available in North America at this time that has this built-in gas burner, and this is going to be optional. So you have 3 different options that you can order on the Elmyra. You can get just a standard 36-inch model, which would basically cut off this burner and the side cabinet. You can get it with just the side cabinet and no burners, with just a flat storage surface on top, and then with these gas burners. You can get the burners in natural gas or propane. It will come standard propane, so if you need a natural gas conversion kit, that must be specified at your time of order. Some people will notice that this this model's on legs and the Quezaneir is more of a pedestal base, but I do want to point out that J.A. Roby does have the Quezaneir SE model, which is on legs. So if you prefer the legs and that's your only factor between deciding between the stoves, then J.A. Roby also gives you a great option for that. Into the nitty gritty, both models are going to be UL and ULC certified. Both models are actually manufactured in Canada. However, J.A. Roby, this model is going to be EPA certified, while the Elmyra is not. Now, wood cook stoves are still EPA exempt in North America, so you do not have to have that EPA requirement. However, some certain products like the J.A. Roby stoves did go ahead and get that certification. So J.A. Roby does have the option for an outside air kit, and they are the only mobile home approved cook stoves that'll actually state mobile home approved in your owner's manual. So if you're installing into a mobile home and you are having like a building inspection, or if you're in Canada in a mobile home and having a wet inspection, you will have no problems with the J.A. Roby Cuisiniere. So this is my overview comparison for you guys on the J.A. Roby Cuisiniere and the Elmyra, the 1842G with the gas burner. Both models have the top warming ovens. I'll talk about that really quickly as well. The warming ovens do reach about 250 degrees, so you can actually bake like cakes and cupcakes in there. It just takes longer. If you like doing stacked cakes, then actually baking them at a lower temperature will cause the cake not to rise, so that you won't actually have to cut the top of your cake. So there's a little tip for you guys. If you guys like these videos, please don't forget to give me that thumbs up, click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.